Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can claim login bonus in eFootball 2024. So you can check your box every day and get the bonus. Before we start, I made this video for beginner that are new into this game because previously this game is Pro Evolution Soccer Mobile. But in this season, it's become eFootball 2024. And it's all console, all platform become eFootball. So this is the new season, new feature and new mission that you can complete to get ton of rewards from it. For example, let's start by check your inbox tab. And this is the inbox. You can receive all login bonus 100,000 of GP, for example. Just tap receive all and I've got total 150,000 GP and other item. So don't forget to check your inbox every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.